Hey everyone, friends, this is the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to get X-ray vision in Minecraft Bedrock without mods. So basically an X-ray glitch. For this we just need to dig a small hole like this. Next, do this here, place a fence gate, put sand underneath, then throw sand on top and one more. Then stand here at the edge and you'll be able to see all the caves nearby out of the corner of your eye. Just like that. You can do this anywhere. So you can dig down somewhere and set this up, yeah, and see everything. For example, from here I can see diamonds way over there, or coal and so on. It works even better with a night vision potion. This was Valor. See you all later.